Folks, Jim Zaspel here from jimzaspel.com, and this is a different video. I'm going to talk about how to use Craigslist to find all the cash buyers you need for your wholesale deals. That's right, most of the videos you see me putting out have to do with rehabbing houses, which we do a lot of, but we also wholesale 3 to 5 houses every single month. Last month we made $67,000 in assignment fees. That is getting paid doing wholesale deals. And so if you want to find buyers, which is what you need for wholesale deals, then stick around and watch this video. All right, so what we're going to talk about is, just the methodology behind how to use Craigslist to find your cash buyers. So first of all, you've got to realize, what is the purpose of an advertorial, an ad? The purpose of an ad is simply to generate a response. Let me say it again. The purpose of an ad, I don't care if it's in a newspaper, I don't care if it's on a freaking billboard, I don't care if it's on Craigslist. The purpose of an ad is to generate a response. All right, so that being said, what should you do? So first of all, your headline needs to be intriguing, okay? Your headline needs to be eye-catching, not just eye-catching, but it speaks to your target buyers, what's important to them, right? Which brings me to my next phase, which is USP. It stands for unique sales proposition, right? So your USP, when you're selling, is different for different types of buyers. So let's think about this for a second. If you're wholesaling a house in a rental neighborhood, right? What are those buyers looking for? They're looking for usually one of these two things or both. One is just ROI, cash flow, return on investment, X number percentage investment per year, right? That's one thing they're looking for. The next is they might be looking for a stable neighborhood, or maybe the third thing is just an easy rehab so they can just plunk their money down and start getting cash, right? That's what they're looking for, so you can speak to that. How about if you're wholesaling a deal that's a fix and flip? What are those people looking for? Well, they're looking for, keep in mind, their end goal, if they're beginning with the end in mind, their end goal is to sell the house, right? And so you want to make sure that convey that in your ad. So if it's, say you've got a house in Ardmore, nice area, or Glenside, nice area. You might say, Glenside fixer-upper on a beautiful block. Right? Glenside fixer-upper, 50% LTV or 41% LTV. What that tells the buyer, Glenside, good area, it's going to sell, right? Fixer-upper tells them something they're interested in, so they're scrolling Craigslist, they might see some FISBOs on there, and then they say 41% LTV. Well, to somebody who's rehabbing houses, they know that means that's a 59% discount on the house. All right, so that's really some things to keep in mind, and what I'd like to do is actually provide you with an opportunity. So, like I said, we wholesale several houses per month, and rather than you having to learn how to write persuasive ad copy, which is, by the way, a lifelong study, what you can do is you can actually get the same ads that my team, my wholesale sales rep, full-time, that's all she does, the same ads that she uses to post to sell our deals. You can get those ads. You can literally just copy and paste them. It's like a Craigslist hack, right? So you're hacking Craigslist using my copy and paste ads to generate massive response from cash buyers. Why is that important to you? Because those response from cash buyers are going to sell your wholesale deals and put money in your pocket. So if you want to put money in your pocket, selling your wholesale deals, then click the link on this page and get my Craigslist ad hacking system. But wait, there's more. Wouldn't it be cool if you could also use those ads to market your deals on social media? Well, guess what? The headlines, which by the way, those are carefully crafted headlines, they're going to get buyers drooling over your offers, right? Those headlines can also be used on social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is, different Facebook groups, say, huge ROI, 42% LTV, nice neighborhood, whatever the headline is. And they're better than what I just said, but those headlines can be used to post on social media with a link to your listing wherever you've got it hosted, okay? So that's really, really cool. But here's what you might be thinking, but Jim, I don't have any deals to wholesale. I'm just gonna save this link for when I am looking to wholesale houses. Guess what? You can use the exact same Craigslist ad hacking system to build your buyers list, even if you do not have any deals, and here's how. If you just add these 2 words to any of the ads that I have in my ad system, then we add these 2 words, coming soon. Coming soon. If you don't have a deal right now, add those 2 words to any ad and you can instantly build your buyers list. Super, super duper cool. If you don't even have a website, you say respond to this ad with your email address and phone number and I'll call you to get your buying criteria and add you to my buyers list. Right? Make sure you get first crack at those coming soon ads. So even if you don't have any deals, Use these ads to build your buyers list because that's what you need to make money in wholesale. So if that's not enough, we've got something super cool for you. You ready? Check this out. Now, if you can't read this, it says, does not say make America great again, it says make real estate great again. When you, right now, for a limited time, when you buy my Craigslist ad hacking system, my cash buyers ad hacking system, you will get a physical copy mailed to you of this Make Real Estate Great Again hack. Now that is worth the price of admission right there. So go ahead, click the link right now and get Jim Zaskell's Craigslist ad hacking system that you can just copy and paste ads to get buyers on your list right away, ready, waiting, and eager to put money in your pocket, paying your big assignment fees. Go ahead and do it now.